Hi guys, today let's discuss the LeetCode question 11, container with most water. You are given an integer array, height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I, 0 and I, height of I. Find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. And notice that you may not slant the container. Okay, we are not slanting the container, so yeah, this is not needed for us. Let's go to the example 1. So in the example 1, the input is height. So height is given in the form of an list. So we are having all this as a form of integers inside it. And the container with height with the two ends as 8 and 7, they are trapping most water. So the distance between this 8 and 7 is 7 units, and the smallest height of these two is 7. So 7 into 7, the area of water that will be trapped between these two lines. So it is 49. Let's go to the example 2. So the height area is 1, 1. So the area of water that will be trapped between these two is 1 into 1. So the distance between these two heights is 1 unit and the height is 1. So 1 into 1 is the area of water that will be trapped between these two. Let's go to the constraint section. So height dot length is equal to n and it is ranging from 2. The reason it is 2 because we need two endpoints for the container so that the water is trapped between them. So the minimum length of the heights list is 2, and the height length can vary from 0 to 10 to the power of 4, which means the height can also be 0. Yeah, I hope it is clear from this question description. Let's go into the explanation part of it. In this question, we are asked to find the maximum amount of water a container can store, which means it is like finding the area. So area is equal to length into breadth. In this case, the breadth is equivalent to the height of the water in the container. So in order to find the length of the container, so we will be employing a two-pointer approach in this question. So we will be considering three scenarios. Let's look at the first case 1. Yeah, this is the case 1. So the area of water that will be stored inside this is equal to the lowest height among these two boundary walls is 5, and the distance and the length is going to be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it is going to be 2 into 5 in this case, and the area is going to be 10. And after finding this area, we will be moving, considering this one as the left pointer and this one as the right pointer. Since we already found the maximum area with this left and right, and the left height is 5, so we'll be incrementing this left pointer because we already found the maximum area that can be found with this 5. So we'll be updating this left is equal to left plus 1. Now let's look at the case 2. Case 2 is also similar to the case 1, but in this the height of our left is 7 and the height of our right is 5. This left and right are used as a pointers in the two-pointer approach. The area of water that will be trapped in this case is going to be the same. So it is going to be area is equal to the distance between this left and right pointers, that is 2, and the lowest height among these two boundary walls, that is going to be 5. The lowest height is 5. So it is going to be 10. And in this case, if you look, our right pointer, the maximum area that can be found with this, our right pointer is already found. So what are we going to do? We are going to decrement our right pointer. So r is equal to r minus 1. Now let's look at the case 3. Our case 3 is such that both our left as well as the right, the height of both the left and right is the same. So in this case it is 5 and 5. So the area of water that will be trapped in this case is going to be 2. 2 is the distance between this left and right pointers, and the lowest height is 5. Since it is 5 for both, it is going to be 5, and the area is going to be 10. So what are we going to do in this case? We can increment the left pointer by 1 or also decrement the right pointer by 1. So we can do anything. So let's do something like this. Left is equal to left plus 1. We can even do right equal to right minus 1. It doesn't make any difference. Let's use the information from above cases over the example 1 provided in question and calculate the maximum area. Here my left pointer is at index 0 and my right pointer is at index 8. In this case, the maximum area that can be formed is going to be 8. The reason it is 8 is because the height is 1, the lowest height is 1, and the distance between the left pointer and right pointer is 8. So it is going to be 1 into 8. After that, we are going to increase our left pointer. The reason we are increasing our left pointer is because we already found the maximum area that can be formed with the height 1. So that is the reason we are incrementing our left pointer. Then when the left pointer is at index 1 and right pointer is at index 8, the maximum area that can be formed is going to be 49. It is 49 because it is 7 into 7, and the explanation is going to be the same. It is because the distance between the left and right pointer is 7, and the lowest height among these two indices is 7. And then we are going to decrement our right pointer. Then we are going to compute the area again. Then the area is going to be 18. The reason it is 18 is because the distance between the left and right pointer is 6 and the height is 3. Then we are again decrementing our right pointer, and then we are again computing the area. In this case, our area is going to be 40. The reason it is 40 is because the distance between this left and right indices is 5, and the lowest height is 8. So that is the reason it is 5 into 8, that is 40. Next, we are again incrementing our left pointer. So after incrementing our left pointer, my left index is at 2 and right index is at 6. Now we are again computing the area, and the area is going to be 6 into 4, that is 24. And then we are again incrementing our left pointer by 1. Then we are again computing the area. So the area in this case is going to be 2 into 3, that is going to be 6. And then again we are incrementing our left pointer because that is having the lowest height. So that is the reason we are incrementing our left pointer. And when my left pointer is at index 4 and my right pointer is at index 6, the maximum area that can be formed is going to be 5 into 2, that is going to be 10. Then again we are incrementing our left pointer by 1. And in this case the area is going to be 4. And finally we have computed our entire area, and we are going to pick the maximum area out of this. So the maximum area is going to be 49 in this case. And we cannot increment our left pointer or right pointer because then it is going to result in 0 area. So we are not interested in that area. and then it is going to be negative. So we are going to stop at this point when left is less than right. I hope it is very clear from this explanation. Let's quickly code this up. Let's start by initializing the max area to 0. So max area is going to be 0, and let's also initialize the left and right pointers. So my left pointer is going to be 0 and right pointer is going to be length of heights list -1. Then we are going to loop from when till the left pointer is less than the right pointer, and we are going to update our max area. Max area is equal to max of max area comma, and we are going to compute it is going to be our length into height. So my length is going to be right pointer minus left pointer, and my height is going to be the min of height of left pointer comma height of right pointer. Then once we find the max area, we have to do that incrementing the left pointer or decrementing the right pointer. So we have to have a condition if height of L left pointer is less than or equal to height of right pointer. So in this case, we are going to increment our left pointer. In else condition, we are going to decrement our right pointer. Then finally, we will be returning the maximum area. I hope we are done. Let's quickly run the code. Let's quickly submit it as well. Yeah, it is submitted. Hope you liked the explanation. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.